Meaning of fleecy.
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 Fleecy. Fleecy is an adjective used to describe something that is covered in or made of soft, woolly fibers, like fleece. It can refer to the texture of fabrics, such as blankets or clothing, or to the appearance of objects, such as clouds. The word fleecy suggests warmth, comfort, and coziness. When you think of something that is fleecy, you might imagine a snuggly blanket on a cold winter night or a sheep with a thick, fluffy coat. In short, fleecy describes something that is soft and fuzzy.